Hello everybody. I don't remember if I said good morning this morning. I think I did. I'm not sure. But I did go live this morning and do breakfast with the Nutty Buddies on nomadic therapy. Subscribe to that channel if you haven't already. We need like 3 more subscribers to get to 7,000 subscribers. By the time you see this video, we should be there, okay? But subscribe anyway if you haven't already. So, y'all, I just came from the office paying my rent for the month. I officially have a month of staying in place, and the man was telling me to go to the river, to go to the lake, or to go somewhere by the water, and he was betting me that I will not last here till June. He was saying it gets so hot here. He was saying your brain is going to be fried by the time June get here, and you are not gonna make it. And I was like, huh? He was like, yeah, your brain gonna be fried. So yeah, I have a feeling I'm going to get darker, especially if I don't start wearing hats and stuff. Look how dark I'm getting up there. So I need to start putting on me some hats and caps and all that stuff, even though I love being darker, and I always wanted to be a dark complected African American woman. I might give my wishes if I stay in Arizona and I don't cover up, because y'all, my hands will get real dark, y'all. I'll be looking like, ooh, y'all, look at my hand colors. So anyway, y'all, I am getting ready to try to unbox my Starlink. I wanted to go live, but then I was like, I want to unbox my Starlink. So I don't know. Should I do the Starlink live? But y'all, I'm hungry again. I ate like 6 eggs this morning, some bacon. I think I'm gonna eat some sardines today. I think we're gonna go in the pantry, and I think we're gonna get something to eat. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna go live, and I need to hook them up on these other tripods. And I don't think I have another head thing. Ugh, I need to place an order on Amazon, y'all. So anywho, I need to find out my address here, because the man didn't know the address. I need to find out the address so I can place an order. Okay. Oh, Amazon. Y'all, them dogs is barking. What they barking at? I'm in my own house. I know they better not be barking at me. I know they better not be barking at me. What you barking at? Uh-oh, she walking the dog. Is they barking at each other? Or is they barking at me? Let's see. Oh, they barking at each other. They barking at each other. I'm like, are they barking at each other, or are they barking at me? Oh my goodness. Now, when I go outside, he better not be barking at me. I think he is a barker. So anyway, y'all, I need to take my iodine and my echinacea. So let me go inside the van and get my Starlink. And I need to find something else to put on my tripod so I could go live. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm getting ready to unbox my Starlink. I ordered this probably like about a month ago, and we're just now opening it up for the first time. Do I need to go get a knife? I think I need to have a knife up in here. Let me open this. I hope it's a clear-cut, easy way. I think I had to create a password, y'all. I'm not good with passwords. I be forgetting passwords, and I don't even be writing them down lately. So let me see. Let me show them what it look like. Okay, y'all. So I just opened the Starlink box, and this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like coming out the box. We got the stand. We got the stand. And we got this thing. It look real dusty and dirty, like it's, maybe that's the stuff coming off of here. I don't know. Okay, we got that. And we got this modem that we're gonna have to plug up. I guess I'll keep this plugged up in the van. And we got the cord that comes with it. Everything is straight forward. So we're gonna plug the modem up. So it's pretty much like 4 things: the stand, the thing, and this plugs into that. You're gonna plug this up, and I guess then you're gonna get a signal. And I don't know if we're gonna plug this up in here. I'll plug this up into the van. And then you have this cord that, is this cord gonna plug somewhere into something? Oh, then you have this cord. That looks like it's gonna go into there as well. We're gonna have to plug this up. And let's see if we could, I don't know if we could plug that up over there. Let me see, 'cause I got a socket over here. I need some more extension cords, y'all. Okay, we plug that in, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to go take this outside, and we got a long cord. We got a long cord to take this outside. So that's what I'm about to do. It was facing sideways, and now it's straight up in the air. So let me finish reading these instructions. Okay, y'all. It is 5:56 p.m., almost 6 o'clock. We're on Arizona time zone. I am a little tired, so I'm getting ready to go in the van. I got some videos to edit, so I'm gonna edit some videos. I'll probably come back in here later, get my exercise bag, and go take me a shower. Got the Starlink out, and I think it's working. I don't know. It's not going super fast, but it's going faster, I guess, than it would be going. So we are going to go inside the van and take a chill pill. Put my bed down and edit. Close my little house off. Close the tiny home off. Got it looking cutie patootie up in there. Got it looking alrighty up in there. Whoops. Oh, Lord, this thing been blowing all day long, y'all. Let me lock this up. Y'all, we just got a weather advisory that there is a dust storm a-coming. And it is really storming really bad. I mean, windstorm. They said a windstorm, dust storm coming. It is really windy out here. I don't know. I closed my door because I didn't want it to get that cold tonight. I closed the front side doors. I don't know. Oh, I should pull up my Nomad internet. I just seen it moving. Look. So yeah, that man could pick that thing up and take it away because I don't have it. Kneel down on the ground, so we gonna go move it. I don't want my shoes to blow away. It's not too cold with my back door open, but if it gets too cold, I'm gonna go out there and close my back door too. Hi everybody, welcome to Vanessa's van life journey. How are you guys doing today? I am Vanessa and I live in a van, and her name is Treasure. I am here today inside my van with my new air conditioning in the window. Girl, it's hooked up all the way. It's hooked up, it's jacked up. Some of y'all telling me, Vanessa, it's an air conditioner that stand up that you don't need to put on the outside. Girl, I'm gonna have to put that on my Amazon wish list, and some other stuff y'all suggesting. Girl, it's going on the Amazon wish list soon as I change the address, y'all, so y'all can send it to me because I'm broke. Okay, so anyway, y'all, I am in my van. I'm live right now on my other channel, Nomadic Therapy. If you want to see the behind the scenes and see everything that go on in real time, then subscribe to Nomadic Therapy, y'all, and make sure you subscribe to Vanessa's Van Life Journey as well. Y'all, I'm in the van. My stomach is scratching my back. I ain't had nothing to eat today but some cucumbers and some strawberries. Girl, it's going on. What time is it? It's probably going on. Where is my other phone? It's probably going on about 6 or 7 p.m. Girl, I don't know. But anyway, I'm hungry, y'all. So I got some bacon on right here. And we're going to start with the bacon. I got 3 packs of bacon. So that's 3 times 9 is what? 3 times 3 is 12. So I got to cook 12 different batches because 3 batches fit in the skillet in 1 pack, I think. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about, girl, because I know you're confused right now. Okay, this is the kind of bacon I get from Walmart, and I think it fits 3 pans, and so I got to cook it 3 times, and I got 3 packs. So 3 times 3 is 369. I used to be a mathematician, not no more. 3 times 3 is 9. So I got to cook 9 batches to completely cook my bacon. So I'm food prepping today, y'all. So let's look in the refrigerator and let me show y'all what I got to food prep, y'all. So the refrigerator is full, y'all. We got ground beef, we got bacon, and we got ground beef patties, and we got eggs. So I think today, if I cook the ground beef, y'all, that would be good. And I could cook the ground beef patties too. We probably gonna be up all night long. That's why y'all ought to subscribe to Vanessa, to Nomadic Therapy, because y'all, I'm gonna be live all day cooking and showing y'all what I'm doing. I got my air conditioning going. It's gonna get a little hot up in here, girl. We got the air conditioning going. It was 91 degrees. Now it's down to 88, but it's gonna get hot because now we got this stove on. Girl, we got the air conditioning going over there. Y'all see it, girl? We got this air conditioning hooked up some kind of way. We got it up in here. I'm gonna show y'all that closer later, but we got the air conditioning hooked up. But because it's about to get hot back here, I'm gonna have to go sit over here in front of the air so I can stay cool, so I won't faint. I'm in Arizona, okay, y'all? So anyway, y'all, when I get this bacon almost cooked, I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all. And after I cook all the bacon, this is how I get my bacon grease, y'all. If y'all know, I'm on a carnivore diet, and I save my bacon grease, and I cook everything in my bacon grease, and that's how I get my bacon grease. I cook all of that bacon up first and pour the bacon grease up in this jar right here, and girl, then I have bacon grease for days, and it make your food taste so good. Ooh, child. If y'all be cooking some greens, girl, you put you a little bacon grease up in them greens, or beans, girl, whatever you cook, put a little bacon grease on it, girl. You ain't even got to have the bacon, you just need the grease. I try to tell you. I try to tell you. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to be back. Let's get the cooking, and I'm going to be back. Okay, I got to talk to my people live. I got to talk to them because they paying attention to me right now. You going to see the video when it come out. See you. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I just turned the bacon over. So our first batch of bacon will be cooked in a little bit. I got it cooking on low, so I don't want it to burn or nothing like that, so I just cook my bacon on low. Okay, you guys, so I just turned the bacon over. So our first batch of bacon will be cooked in a little bit. I got it cooking on low, so I don't want it to burn or nothing like that, so I just cook my bacon on low. Okay, you guys, so I just turned the bacon over. So our first batch of bacon will be cooked in a little bit. I got it cooking on low, so I don't want it to burn or nothing like that, so I just cook my bacon on low. Okay, you guys, so I just turned the bacon over. So our first batch of bacon will be cooked in a little bit. I got it cooking on low. Okay, y'all, that is going to be it for today's live, y'all. I unboxed the Starlink. I put my my air condition up. I've been food prepping, so I just been trying to get settled into my new little space. Just working over here. I'm working on the railroad. I'm grinding. I'm trying to get this Starlink working right, y'all. Today is kind of acting right. But I just been over here grinding, y'all. So thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Girl, don't miss out on nothing. And if you're not subscribed to Nomadic Therapy, let's get that channel over there to 10,000 subscribers. And if you want to support my channel in any shape, form, or fashion, girl, I could use the help. All my information is in the description box below. My Cash App, my PayPal, my Amazon wishlist, and my mailing address. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye now.